We're making our banana nut. Sorry, no. We're making banana nut. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Bub's Kitchen. Today we're making a family requested item, our chocolate almond banana bread.
This recipe was mostly requested by my cousin Alexis. So hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Why was that so stressful? It's been a while since we
Intro, yeah.
So here is what we will need. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 ripe bananas, some demerara sugar, 1/2 cup of sliced almonds, 1 cup dark brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, room temperature, 1¼ teaspoon baking soda, 1/3 cup of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
So first we're gonna mix up all our dry ingredients. So we got our flour right over here, 1.5 cups. We got our 1.25 teaspoons of baking soda, and we're gonna use some salt. We don't have our kosher salt today, but this will work for right now.
There's nothing exciting about flour mixing.
Now we're gonna mash our bananas.
Damn, it's a big.
Stop! I don't want to touch these anymore. We're gonna add our almonds to our bananas. And we're just gonna fold it in. Put this on the side for now. We're gonna preheat the oven to 350.
Alright, so now we're just gonna cream our sugar and butter, sour cream, and eggs, but we're gonna start right now with just our sugar and our sour cream to get it started. You could also use yogurt, you could use mascarpone, those would work too. And we're gonna start off basically pretty low speed. This is just like on the first speed right here. Make 2. And then right now, I'm gonna slide some of our butter so we can add it in more slowly. And you want to wait till each piece of butter completely disappears so you add the next one. So it looks like this right now. It looks kind of like the inside of Three Musketeers. If that's the best description I could give to you. It's like smooth. You can see little granules and it looks like fluffy. And this is the point. It's been about like 5 minutes maybe of mixing, and we're gonna start adding our eggs. All right, so I'm gonna add 1 egg right now, and we're gonna do each one separately, and we're gonna mix it in slowly. And then once that one is fully incorporated, we're gonna add the other egg. And I'm gonna actually crack the egg into a separate bowl just to make sure these eggs are still good, and we don't put a bad egg into our banana bread. That looks good, so we're just gonna add the other egg right now. Turn it up a little bit. And this is where we're gonna add our dry ingredients. And now I got our banana and almond mixture, and I got my chocolate chips right over here. I'm gonna put this in here just for it so it's easier to mix all together. Just gonna add this in while it's stirring very slowly. And you don't want to mix this too much again. Everything. We're just gonna coat our baking finish. I am using a 9x5. Gonna sprinkle the entire inside of what this demerara sugar. And it's just gonna protect. It's gonna be like a coating. It's gonna help it come out better, and it's gonna give it a nice little sweet, crispy exterior to the banana bread too. I'm just covering up the insides completely. I like the nutty top, like crispy top. I'll go with the demerara sugar on top as well. Just a light coating on top so we get a crispy exterior. You can also use like sugar in the raw You can even use granulated sugar, but this one goes really well. And now we're ready to bake it off. We're gonna go in at 350 again for 60 minutes. I'm putting it sideways like this, and then I'm gonna turn it around in 30 minutes. Alright, and we'll see it in an hour. Alright, so now we're done in an hour. We're gonna take it out of the oven. We also flipped it halfway through. We just turned it around. We're gonna take it out. Looks good. We're just gonna let it cool in the tin for like 20 minutes, just until it's cool enough to handle. And then we're gonna flip it out over onto a rack to cool the rest of the way for about an hour.
See it in an hour.
We had our banana bread resting on the rack for about an hour. And now we're just gonna slice into it and show you how it went. You want to cut nice thick slices. It's nice and moist. We got chocolate everywhere, almonds everywhere. Good distribution of everything, and still moist and chewy.
Crunchy. It's not
Nice.
too sweet. I wonder how much sugar we added. Wait, I want to look at coffee.
Oh, so.
So we hope you guys enjoyed. This was our family favorite banana almond chocolate chip banana bread.
If you guys try it out, let us know on our Instagram _Bub's Kitchen. We'll leave it right over here. And if you haven't already, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye. Got some thunk to it too.
Stop!
Dunk.